48 square meter studio. Very big. Internet is included or extra?
No, internet you have to connect by yourself.
Okay.
With the government price.
Wow. Great view, big balcony.
Yes, this one available no, July, October, November.
This one starts available October? Okay. And everything comes with?
Yes.
No washing machine, but laundry room downstairs, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
You pay the government price 600 baht for internet lock high speed 400.
600 baht for internet.
Yeah, high speed.
Okay.
400.
Yeah.
Refrigerator on system.
Okay, so you don't need anything to come here.
No.
So View Talay 8. Not much on amenities. Looks a bit older, but it is 17,000 baht, and the leasing agent explained that this front building is mostly developer owned, so it comes with a few more furnishings, and the price during high season will go up to 20,000. So right now, low season, September, October, start December, the price jumps up 3,000 baht per month, but you can get a 12-month lease in the off season for 17,000 baht, 48 square meter studio room with an ocean view. Let me know what you think in the comments. See you in the next one.